Hey guys, Nicole here with Limbridge Studio.
Little Cutesy Corner.
What's your name?
Zoe.
And she has a YouTube channel called Little Cutesy Corner.
Yep.
So we have Stickii Club subscriptions. I subscribe to the retro pack. And which one do you have?
Kawaii pack.
Which is the cute pack.
Yeah.
That's what they call it.
I call it the Kawaii pack.
So we thought that we would open the February Stickii Club subscription for you this month.
Yeah.
So you want to go first?
Yeah. I like that mine's pink. And that's my favorite color.
Ooh. Is that food? Oh,
Yes, it's
that's
a cake.
Cool.
Nom nom.
Oh, that's right. The Cute Club pack is slumber party themed. So let's explain these real quick.
Yeah.
So
I love this pack.
they started making these little
Thingamajigs.
holders,
Yeah.
pocket folder things to put your stickers in.
Yeah.
You can see, we'll do some close-ups too, but yeah, so those are super cool. Oh, Zoe, look, cats, nail polish.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so dig in, let's see what we got.
Okay, I'll try and grab this. Oh, what the heck happened? It's
Oh, they're notes.
Oh, it's notepad.
Yeah, it's like a notepad.
It's a notepad.
It's a little,
That's awesome. Okay, so
that goes on there. We'll do that later.
and we have our little
Little
pink
ring.
ring. So,
We'll do some close-ups too. We'll have you kind of just go through it real quick and then we'll...
these are like diamonds.
Ooh, like Be Mine hearts. Those are like the little, what do they call these? Like pieces or kiss cut stickers or
mini stickers.
gems.
Sticker minis. They're sticker minis. Okay, let's get started.
Nail polish.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
We get it.
I also get it.
Kitty cat.
Okay, I can't decide.
Oh, those are cute.
Yes, I love them. Meow. Meow meow. Oh my.
Two of your favorite things, food stickers and kitty cat.
A dabbing strawberry.
What?
A dabbing.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. Okay, come on.
I can't. I had to. I had to. Ooh, little note thing.
Checklists. Are you going to show them to them?
Yeah.
We'll do close-ups, but that way they can kind of see what you're looking at here real quick.
Yeah. Ooh, I
Some
see
candies.
like a kid. Who knows JoJo Siwa? Like a kid in a candy store.
Okay, moving along here. What else you got?
Okay, let's see. More awesome Sailor Meow.
Oh.
Sailor Moon Kit Kats. They're awesome. Okay, and I think this is the last one. Yep.
So that's the slumber party stuff like pajamas and...
Okay, now we'll do another close-up. Nail polish.
Here, we'll do it differently. Here, just
Okay.
sit. Okay, so there's those. We'll go through those in a second again. So here is the retro
Well, did I see something?
pack.
Yeah. Quit pushing. Push.
Ooh. So these are like little flower kind of postage stamp looking things.
They kind of look like a
And then little birds.
Tweet.
So this is Wishing for Spring is this theme. Ooh, this is pretty.
Yeah.
It looks like a vintage postcard.
Oh yeah, that's
Super cute.
amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that one. I did.
Like little flowers and fruits.
I did so that. Yeah. Just kidding, we share. Yeah.
Okay. How about you sit back?
Oh my gosh.
Some birds.
I was looking at the retro pack.
Flowers,
I
meh.
just-
I'm not a huge fan of those. Those look kind of like, I don't know.
I like them.
These are cute. Look
like
very cool looking.
I like the cat man.
Love these. These are cute with some little labels. And then these little flowers are super cute. So, alright, we'll switch angles here so you guys can get a better view of these packs. And the ring, right. Okay, so I'll give you guys a closer look at the stickers. So here is one. Very pretty. And this is, again, this is the retro pack. Waiting for spring is the theme. There's these little like fragments or whatever you would call them. So I could open them and show you. Bird cage, some birds, a birdie with some balloons. More birdies. Looks like they have a top hat on or something. Oh no. Oh, that's cute. Very cute. Okay, so there's those. Here's the vintage postcard. Very cute. Flowers and fruits. Some more birdies. These are the ones I'm really not that crazy about. They kind of look a little old for me. Like, I don't know. You like them? Those. Really cute. And these. So that is the retro pack. Alright, you want to show them yours?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's this one?
These, I call them like, I call them Sailor Meow. They kind of look anime-ish to me.
Okay.
And here's these.
Oops, there's a couple. Here, I'll open this while you do that.
Okay. And here's some kitties, and there's a kitty butt.
Kitty butt. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious.
I know, and it's my favorite kind of cat.
It's got like a little X for the butt. I don't know if you can see that. Right there.
XCX.
Right there, yeah.
I think it's hilarious.
That's funny. What else you got?
Okay. So I got these. These
Little
are,
checklist.
yeah, they're not stickers, but they're cute. We got this really cool cake notepad. Sorry, I can't.
Here.
I'm not.
Here's
really
these little guys. So let's see if you can see. We've got like a perfume bottle looking thing.
That's nice.
More.
Nail
Oh, is that
polish.
what that is? Nail polish?
Yeah, nail polish.
I don't know. It might be hard to see these. There's like
Gems.
some little gems. Here's like a
Slipper.
powder. You know,
Okay.
like a compact with powder. Here's like little
can-
shoes.
Ballet shoes.
Little Be Mine, which
Mwah.
is past Valentine's Day, so that kind of. Some more perfumes, nail polish. Oh, this little sleep mask is really cute.
Yeah, I love
That's a cute one.
it. Oh, there's more. Yay.
Oh yeah, there's all kinds. So let's see. I thought I saw something else.
Wait,
Here's little gems.
more gems. Wait,
The gems.
this is love written in lipstick.
Oh yeah. I didn't
That's
see that
really
one.
cute. I love that one.
You love it. Okay, what else you got?
Okay, let's see here. We got these really funny ones. I like their facial expressions. And there's a strawberry dabbing.
The dabbing strawberry is right
Yeah.
there. Okay.
Okay, let's see. We got some candy.
Ooh, that's like really kind of shiny candy.
Whoop, whoop.
like holographic candy. Okay.
Yeah. Some nail polish.
Cute.
Nailed it. And sleepover party.
That's my favorite one. Because it's like muted kind of looking, nothing too flashy. Very cute. And how about, let's show them a close-up of one of those little folders. So I think they made them like you can put the little, where's your little fragments here? Like the little fragments here, you can put them, oh, I'm not even in frame. Like in these little pockets here. Maybe.
Oh my gosh, wait.
There. So you can see there how you can put those in there.
I found a little bit of washi tape.
Oh, that was on my table.
Oh.
And then you could put like these little notes in here. And then you could put like the bigger ones in here. In the back. Maybe.
Hopefully.
It'll go in there. There.
If you got
So that's actually really nice how they, oh, hey,
maybe.
started doing that. And it wasn't any extra money for the subscription to do that. So I thought that was really cool of them to do that. Alright, so we hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Stickii Club subscription. If you did, give us a like. And do subscribe to Lonebird Studio or Little Cutesy Corner if you'd like to see more videos like this. And we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!
Thanks for watching.